question number 12 wants us to find the sum of the geometric sequence. Whenever they say find the sum of the sequence, that's really the same thing as finding the series. So we can use our series formulas here. So my first term A1 is 7. My n, I'm going to come back to that. My r is 1 over 3. So if you look at it, it's like 7 over 1, and then you multiply the denominator by 3 to get 3. Then you multiply that denominator by 3 to get 9, and then you keep multiplying by 3, and the very last term is 3 raised to the 15th. So I'm multiplying each term by 1 over 3. Now the number of terms is kind of tricky. The 7 over 1, another way to express 1 is 3 to the 0. Another way to express 3 is 3 to the 1. Another way to express 9 is 3 squared. So how many terms are there total here? It's kind of very tricky and very easy to say there's 15 terms because we have 3 to the 15 as our last term. However, this is 15 terms, and then there's the extra term here that has 0 as the exponent. So we actually have 16 terms total here. So 16, and that is tricky. Okay, so S20 is equal to 7 times 1 minus 1 over 3 raised to the 16 all over 1 minus 1 over 3. And if you type this into your calculator and try to convert to a fraction, on most calculators it won't. So mine just gives me approximately 10.5. So I would accept either of these answers.